in more detail.
Values and, yeah, their values and color scheme.
That's a
So
shame.
you guys see that, yeah, you're right about that, it'll get bigger, more detailed and darker, and it'll be on the same plane probably as these trees right here. That, guys see that?
So that changes
Now-
your focus, sort
Exactly.
of from the waterfall
Well,
to the eagle.
Yes, that's
Exactly.
what the person would, so say someone says, I like your painting, but I want, and I love that eagle or that donkey or whatever it is. I want the donkey to be the big deal.
The donkey.
Well, I want them, so you can, as long as you've got room to do that. Now, I happen to have room to do that in this painting, but not every painting gives me that opportunity, this one does. Now, let's talk about some other things in this painting. Getting back to the reflection issue for a second. What do you see in here that makes you realize that we do have a reflection of these mountains in the water?
The pink at the bottom.
Donna, see that little bit of pink right there?
I did.
I'm picking up a little bit of the sky color in there. Because of where I'm standing, I can do that. And I'm only picking up little bits of the color of the mountains in there, but not extreme. Because I want it to be a little bit purple, and that's how I'll finish it. But each object has its own reflection. Now, I won't pick this up because I won't be able to see it in there. So I'm only gonna pick up the bigger areas, plus this will be the sky area from up here, showing up here. So your V shape right here will be this part. The ripples negate all of that color because it wipes it out. It's like a, you take a, you know, when you take a photograph and you have a flash, it washes out something. Rippled water does that. So it gets rid of color, just like it does here. Now this water does not have color, by the way. Water is based on what is around it, above it, over it, or whatever. So if I keep putting ripples in there, the water may in fact be green from the reflection, but the more ripples I put, you lose the color. That makes sense to you? So those are things you guys also have to think about on your journey of doing this kind of stuff.